open. Are you here, Rosie Clarke?
Yeah, Mrs. Peck, I'm here.
It's pronounced Pecky, dear. Hilda Everton?
Aye, love.
Firstly, I must report on my new cosy chicken bedding I tried out last night. It was incredibly soft, excellent for my fragile feathers.
Right, if it's good enough for Mrs. Fancy Feathers, I'm off to find out what it's all about. Here I go.
Now then, Mrs. Peck, so what's the big secret about this cosy chicken bedding?
If you keep quiet, I'll tell you, Rosie. I'm very happy to tell the whole coop about cosy chicken. It's the new trend, you know.
I want this cosy chicken right now. Derek?
Oh, it's right, lovely. So cosy.
You see, I told you, dear, it's the best nest in town. Everyone will be flocking to use it. And it's Pecky.
Derek? Where is he? Derek?
Pecky, not Peck.
Oh, so cosy.
Derek?